Welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18. Today we're going to talk about the Zxi6m, the newest addition to the DS18 lineup. We're going to open the box, show you the speaker, talk some specs about it, then we're going to connect it, blast some music so you guys can check it out. So let's see what's inside. Pro Zxi6m. Got some manual, DS18 sticker, get this out of the way, and Pro Zxi6m. Check out this beauty. This is a beautiful speaker. Like I keep saying, the Zxi series is one of my favorite series. I love the signature plastic trim that the speaker has all around it, that DS18 engraved on it. This one has the dust cap with the DS18 logo. You got the cloth surround, you got the paper cone, you got that nice black aluminum basket, the DS18 butt connectors. You got that stamped on the back of the magnet. Pro Zxi6m 6.5 mid-range loudspeaker, 600 watts max power, 300 RMS. This is the 8 ohm version. 1.5 inch voice coil. It has 97 dBs. Frequency response from 100 Hz to 8 kilohertz. This is a pretty insane bad boy. Now, what everybody loves to. Let's put it in there, put some music, and let's see what this bad boy can do. Speakers in, phone's connected. Let's turn it on, put some volume. And there you guys have it, the Pro Zxi6m. Keep tuning for more videos, guys. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.